Good morning, students. Welcome to mathematics class. This is Sandhya Jadhav, your mathematics teacher. Students, in mathematics, we are going to continue lesson number 16. Name of the lesson is Preparation for Algebra. Okay, so let's continue. Today, we are going to learn new concept, that is inequality. Let's see this example. 7 plus 5 is 12 and 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. Students, the value of both this expression is not equal. So to represent not equal, the symbol not equal to is used. Okay? So, to show that 7 plus 5 and 7 multiplied by 5 are not equal, we write 7 plus 5 is not equal to, we are giving this sign not equal to 7 multiplied by 5. Okay, so we can say this kind of representation is called an inequality. Okay, student, understood the meaning of inequality? Now, next. Okay, so this is known as inequality. Now, we'll see the another example. See here. Fill in the boxes between the expression with greater than, with less than, equal to, or greater than as required. Okay, students, now see over here. You have to give the sign here in this box. Either you can give less than sign or equal to or greater than. So how we can give? Let's see. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 is how much? 17. Right? 9 plus 8 is how much? 17. And 30 divided by 2. 30 divided by 2 is how much? See here, I'll do 30 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Then I'll take 0. 2 5s are 10. So what is the answer? 15. So 30 divided by 2 is 15. Okay. So see over here. The value that I got, 9 plus 8 is 17 and here 15. So I can say 17 is greater than 15. Okay. So 17, the value of 9 plus 8 expression is 17 and 15 is the which value? When we divide 30 by 2, we got 15. So, 15 is less. It means 30 divided by 2 is lesser than 9 plus 8. Okay, so we can give here, this is greater than sign. Sign means 9 plus 8 is greater than 30 divided by 2. Now, we'll see the next example. 16 multiplied by 3. Box given over here, and another expression is 4 multiplied by 12. Okay, so 16 multiply by 3. 16 3s are 48 and 4 multiplied by 12. 12 4s are 48. Means I got 16 multiplied by 3 is 48 and 12 multiplied by 4 is also 48. Means both these values equal. So I can give equal to sign over here. Means 16 multiplied by 3 is 48 and 4 multiplied by 12 is also 48. So these both the expressions are equal. So I am giving equal to sign in between. Now next, 16 minus 5, 2 multiplied by 7. So tell me students, 16 minus 5 is how much? 16 minus 5 is 11. Okay, yes, right, it is 11. Then 2 multiplied by 7. 2 7s are 14. So I'll write here 14. Okay, so 16 minus 5, how much I got? 11. And 2 multiply by 7, I got 14. So 11 is lesser than 14, means 14 is greater than 11. So I will give the sign less than. Okay, so 16 minus 5 is 11 and 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. So 16 minus 5 is less than which number? Which expression? 2 multiplied by 7. Understood, student, how to use this less than, equal to or greater than sign in the expression? Okay, now we'll see the next. Write a number in the box. See here what is given. Write a number in the box that will make this statement correct. Okay, student. See here. First statement, 7 multiplied by 2 is equal to this expression. But in this expression, here the empty box is given. We have to fill this box. So how to fill this? Let's see. See, the value of the expression 7 multiplied by 2 is how much? 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. Okay, students. So, the number in this box has to be one that gives 14 when we subtract it from 6. Okay, when 6 is going to get subtracted from this box number, we should get 14. Then only we can say this both the expression is equal. Okay, so which number I have to put here? Okay, so that I'll get 14 when 6 got subtracted from this number. Okay, so I have to find it out. Okay, tell me which number I have to take over here, and the subtraction of this both the number should come 14. So student, I can write 20 over here. See how? When we subtract 6 from the 20, we'll get 14. Okay, see here, 7 multiplied by 2 is 14 and 20 minus 6 is also 14. So we can say this both the expression is equal. In this way we have to fill this box. Okay, now next statement, 24 divided by 3 is lesser than 5 plus empty box is given. So 24 divided by 3 is 8. Okay, so I want the number over here. Okay, so that this expression should, it makes it correct. Okay, so which number I can take? See, the value of the expression 24 divided by 3 is 8. 3 8s are 24, right? Okay, so but this 8 is lesser than this expression. So I want the number in this box to be such that when I add this box number to 5, it should come greater than 8. Okay, so student, can I add 4 over here? Yes, I can add 4 over here because 5 plus 4 is 9 and 9 is greater than 8, means 8 is lesser than 9. So this statement is correct when I'll put 4 over here. Okay, understood, students? So this is about the inequality concept. Now in the next video we will see practice set 55. Okay, students? Thank you.